Hello YouTube, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, tons of Christian books, self-help books out there for you, wonderful stuff. Next time you're on Amazon, go to the search bar, put in my name, Scott Perdue, pull up all those wonderful options, find some that are suitable for you. You'll need to scroll down, see them all, add some to cart, get them in transit right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you. Anyway, today I'm going to go over a book I'd recently published called Rising from the Ashes, How to Rebuild When Life Falls Apart. Today's lesson is about harnessing the power of gratitude and positivity. When life feels shattered, it's easy to fall into despair. Yet even in the darkest moments, the seeds of resilience, hope, and strength lie within reach. Harnessing the power of gratitude and positivity can be a transformative force, helping you to rebuild when life falls apart. By focusing on the silver linings in difficult situations, gratitude opens the door to new perspectives and possibilities. Positivity, on the other hand, fuels the courage to continue and the strength to find meaning in adversity. Together, these tools empower your journey toward healing and your ultimate comeback story. The transformative power of gratitude. Gratitude is not just a fleeting emotion, it's a practice, a mindset, and a way of approaching life. It allows you to shift your focus from what's wrong to what's still right, and from what you've lost to what remains. Number one, understanding gratitude in adversity. Gratitude is often misunderstood as ignoring the pain of hardship or pretending everything is fine. In reality, gratitude coexists with pain. It acknowledges the challenges while choosing to focus on the good that can still be found. It's not about dismissing the reality of adversity, but about recognizing that even amidst chaos, moments of beauty and kindness can emerge. Example, insight. Gratitude can be as simple as appreciating a sunrise, the support of a loved one, or your own ability to endure. These small recognitions serve as lifelines in turbulent times. Number two, the science of gratitude. Research shows that gratitude has profound psychological and physiological benefits. It reduces stress, enhances resilience, and fosters a sense of hope. Practicing gratitude rewrites the brain to focus on positive aspects of life, even in the face of challenges. Actionable advice. Start a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how small. Over time, this habit trains your mind to seek positivity. Number 3, turning pain into purpose with gratitude. Number 3, turning pain into purpose with gratitude. When life feels overwhelming, gratitude can help you find purpose. Reflecting on what you've learned or gained from adversity allows you to transform pain into a stepping stone for growth. Actionable advice. Ask yourself, what has this challenge taught me? Or how can I use this experience to help others? Gratitude for lessons learned empowers you to see value in your journey. Finding silver linings in difficult situations. Finding silver linings doesn't mean minimizing pain or glossing over struggles. Instead, it's about uncovering the hidden opportunities for growth, connection, and meaning within adversity. Number 1, reframing challenges as opportunities. Every challenge, no matter how painful, carries the potential of transformation. Reframing your perspective allows you to see difficulties not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities to grow, learn, and evolve. Actionable advice. When faced with a setback, ask yourself, what can I gain from this experience? How might this situation make me stronger or wiser? Number 2, focusing on progress, not perfection. Silver linings often appear in the small, incremental victories along the way. Acknowledging progress, no matter how minor, builds momentum and fosters hope. Actionable advice. Celebrate small wins daily. Whether it's completing a task, reaching out for help, or simply getting through the day, each step forward is a reason to be proud. Number 3, connecting with others through shared struggles. Adversity often brings people closer, revealing the strength of relationships and the kindness of strangers. Recognizing and appreciating these moments of connection can be powerful silver lining. Actionable advice. Reflect on the support you've received during tough times. Express gratitude to those who have helped you and consider how you can pay it forward. The role of positivity in fueling your journey. While gratitude shifts your perspective, positivity sustains your energy and motivation. It's not about ignoring hardships, but about choosing hope and optimism as guiding forces. Number 1, cultivating a positive mindset. Positivity begins with your mindset. It's the belief that no matter how difficult life becomes, better days are ahead. This mindset doesn't deny reality, but focuses on the possibility of change and growth. Actionable advice. Practice affirmations that reinforce positivity. For example, tell yourself, I'm strong enough to overcome this, or every day is a step toward healing. Number 2, the ripple effect of positivity. Positivity is contagious. When you choose optimism, it inspires those around you, creating a ripple effect that fosters collective hope and resilience. Actionable advice. Surround yourself with positive influences such as uplifting books, music, and people. Limit exposure to negativity that drains your energy. Number 3, balancing positivity with realism. True positivity acknowledges challenges while maintaining hope. It doesn't mean pretending everything is perfect. It means believing in your ability to navigate imperfection. Actionable advice. When facing a difficult situation, list both the challenges and the potential solutions. This balanced approach keeps you grounded while fostering optimism. Practical strategies for harnessing gratitude and positivity. Integrating gratitude and positivity into your life requires intentional effort. These practices become the foundation for rebuilding when life falls apart. Number 1, daily gratitude rituals. Make gratitude a daily habit, whether through journaling, meditation, or simple reflection. Consistently practicing gratitude rewires your brain to focus on the positive. Actionable advice. Begin and each day by identifying 3 things you're grateful for over time. This ritual strengthens your ability to find positivity even in rough times. Number 2, visualization exercises. Use visualization to reinforce positivity and set a hopeful tone for the future. Imagine yourself thriving, achieving your goals, and feeling fulfilled. Actionable advice. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing a specific goal or outcome. Picture it in a vivid detail, focusing on the emotions and the sensations associated with success. Number 3, gratitude letters. Writing letters of gratitude to people who have supported you fosters connection and amplifies positivity. These letters can be shared or kept private as a personal expression of appreciation. Actionable advice. Choose someone who has impacted your life positively. Write them a heartfelt letter expressing your gratitude, and if possible, deliver it in person or via email. Empowerment through gratitude and positivity. Gratitude and positivity are not passive states. They are active choices that empower you to take charge of your narrative. By focusing on what's good and possible, you reclaim agency over your life. Number 1, strengthening resilience. Gratitude and positivity fortify your resilience, helping you bounce back from the setbacks with greater ease. They remind you of your strengths and the resources available to you. Actionable advice. Keep a resilience journal where you document moments when gratitude or positivity helped you overcome a challenge. Number 2, inspiring your comeback story. Your ability to harness gratitude and positivity transforms your journey into an inspiring comeback story. By choosing hope over despair, you become a beacon of strength for others. Actionable advice. Reflect on your struggles. Reflect on how your struggles have shaped your growth. Consider sharing your story to inspire and uplift those facing similar challenges. How to rewrite your life after setbacks. Rebuilding after a setback requires more than resilience. It requires a clear vision, intentional action, and unwavering belief in the possibility of a better future. Gratitude and positivity serve as a guiding lights in this process. Number 1, embrace the power of choice. Your life is not defined by what happens to you, but by how you respond. Gratitude and positivity empower you to choose hope, growth, and possibility. Actionable advice. When faced with a decision, ask yourself, what choice aligns with the future I want to create? Number 2, redefine success. Setbacks often challenge your definition of success. Use this opportunity to redefine what matters most to you and align your goals with your values. Actionable advice. Reflect on what success means to you now. Write down your new definition and use it as a compass for future decisions. Build a life rooted in gratitude. A life rebuilt on gratitude is one filled with meaning, connection, and fulfillment. By focusing on what you have and what you can create, You pave the way for a brighter future. Actionable advice. Incorporate gratitude practices into your routine. For example, express appreciation to others regularly. Reflect on your blessings and celebrate progress. Conclusion. Harnessing the power of gratitude and positivity is a transformative approach to rebuilding when life falls apart. These practices shift your focus from loss to possibility, from despair to hope, and from fear to courage. By finding silver linings, cultivating optimism, and embracing gratitude, you empower yourself to rise from the ashes and create a life filled with purpose and joy. Your comeback story begins with a single choice: to see the good, to believe in your strength, and to take one step forward each day. With gratitude as your foundation and positivity as your guide, you have the tools to rewrite your life after setbacks and rebuild a future that reflects your resilience and potential. All right, that concludes today's lesson. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Scott Perdue. Next time you're on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue. See all the wonderful Christian and self-help books I've published out there. There's tons of them. Scroll down, find some that are suitable to you, put those in your cart, get them in transit right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you. Anyway, thank you again for watching this video today. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. It's a great series. Please follow me through the series. You'll find great wisdom in it. Have a blessed day. We'll talk to you in the next video.